Good day, world citizens! As a student studying tourism management, we should start working discipline, gradually, because at WCC, we make sure that we follow all the necessary orders. Working in this field will present a wide range of exciting opportunities, including the chance to travel and meet new people. Right, that's why how you interact with other people is important. And today, we will show you some of the proper posture for tourism. What are you waiting for? Let's go! First is we need to practice the proper standing posture when standing. So, syempre po, first of all is we need to stand up straight. Yan, as you can see po, that is the proper way of standing. The next step is to pull your shoulders backwards. And syempre po, to align your head along with your body in level. And syempre po, to complete the proper way of standing, is syempre po, you need to put your stomach in, inhale, and exhale. Next is we need to put a shoulder width distance between your legs. So in this step po, we're going to have to put your right foot backwards and left foot forward. In this position, you're going to maintain a T posture. Next is we're going to keep your knees from locking. In this step naman po is pagko-close niyo po yung knees niyo to each other so you can still maintain the T posture while locking your knees. The next step po is to put both of your hands on your side and let it free. Sway. Sway. In this way po, your hands can coordinate in your feet while you are walking. The next step is to put all of your body weight into the balls of your feet. So in this way po, is lahat ng bigat ng katawan nyo is napuput po or nape-pressure down into your feet. The last step to complete the proper standing posture is to keep all of your weight down to your feet and to your heels. Why? That is a good question. Because when you are trying to walk, you need to put all of the body pressure under your heels so you can walk freely. Please elaborate. As you can see po, she can walk freely while maintaining a good posture and not having any problem with the 3-inch heels. The next one, we're going to show you how to sit with a proper posture. Now, what you're seeing now is an improper way of sitting posture, so let's try to correct it. The first thing that you need to do is to first relax your shoulder. Yes, that's correct. Next, we need to place our leg behind the other leg and slant it a little bit. That's correct. Next, always place your hand at the top of your lap. Now, we sit up straight while looking forward without straining the neck. Now, make an eye contact, take a deep breath, and smile broadly. Finally, we will demonstrate on how to walk with appropriate posture. First, maintain the forward-thinking attitude. That's right. Allow your torso to twist and your core to engage, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allow your arms to swing naturally as a result of your torso rotating. Slouching should be avoided. Maintain a gentle downward and backward movement of your shoulders. Forcing your shoulders back prevents them from rotating properly.
We believe the learning about proper posture is beneficial to you.
At the World City Colleges, we are learning to be a well-groomed and professional.
This conveys a sense of competence and reliability.
Do you want to learn more about tourism?
Be one of us. Be world citizens.